Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add boarding pass to Apple Wallet. So let's get started. Firstly, to add a boarding pass to your Apple Wallet, you must first check in to your flight. Depending on the airline and your ticket type, this could be 24 hours in advance or even up to 30 days. So firstly, open your airline app and navigate to My Trips or something similar. Then select check-in on your screen and add or skip the extras depending on your trip requirements. After checking in, go to your boarding pass in the airline app and select Add to Apple Wallet. When the pop up window appears, select Add. Some airlines might set limits on how many boarding passes you can have on a single device, so make sure to double check before traveling. You should also note that in some cases, you might not be allowed to add a digital boarding pass and may instead have to check in at the airport. This restriction may happen when you have extra baggage to check in. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.